So again I'm telling the same playbooks here. Playbooks in Ansible we are written in a AML language. How the AML language it is? See, this is the AML language. It's look like exact this like. So a sample AML file, suppose it is a company's spacelift. Domain is DevOps or DevSecOps. Tutorial AML, name is equal to some markup language, AML markup language only they gave. Awesome, type awesome, born in 2001. Next JavaScript, great, 2001. And other is Omkar bread. So publisher is true. This AML script is going to run this task. What is the tutorial they gave? That task is giving the output here. See. So same AML script is like that. Now it is a human readable language, right? What we are shown there, it is a human readable language, and we can write codes consists of various tasks like that. What we can write, the course consists where task, handlers, files, templates, roles. We know the templates. What are the handlers? I will show upcoming classes in the Ansible handlers. Handlers is nothing but same task we are going to repeat, or different task we are maintaining, or task if we'll run on task that is attaching to another task. See, if I want to run install git, so I want to run next after I want to run maven. So it is going to run after installing the git. Maven is going to run like that. We are giving the handlers here. Each playbook is composed of one or more modules in a list. Then module is a collection of configuration files. And playbooks are mainly divided into section, target section, variable section, and task section. Define host against which playbooks task has to be executed. Means like what are the host, means we are giving the servers, right? The which playbooks task has to be executed, and variables is we are going to give the variable. Suppose I have some I want to run one command, but I don't want to give whole the command here. Simple variable we are going to run. So I give git is a variable. In the git variable I gave m install git. So I am running with only git. The git can what is the command, whole command, it is going to run by the variable git. And task section is list of the modules that we need to run in the order. Order means what we are giving the order that is going to run in the task. And AML basic point, AML we now discussed, and this is the AML script here. Host, user become, connection, and task name installing git here. See, last what we did here, this m name is equal to git, state is equal to present, we already did in the server. So the commands we already run in the server, ad hoc commands, and module commands we run, right? name is equal to some git, state is equal to present. Same here we written in the playbook. Host is Remo, started with 3 hyphens. User is Ansible, become S, connection is SSH tasks. Name installing git. Here see m name is equal to git, state is equal to present. State is equal to present means it is going to install. Name is equal to git, state is equal to present. How we are going to execute the playbook? This is the command ansible -playbook playbook.yml and if is formatted correctly or not, you need to check by the check command like this -check. Variables, see here just now I said variables, right? Variables, Ansible also provide variable ways of setting variables. They are used to store values that can be later used in the playbook. See, variable names is Ansible should start with a letter, and variable can have the letter, number and underscore. Invalid variable declaration like dot and hyphen number variables separated by the multiple words. See here, host, user, become, connection. Variables we are giving here package name httpd, and here we are going to give the means we are installing what is the package httpd, but using the variable package name pkg name, package name. State is equal to present, but http is going to run. Understand? Now see here same other passing arguments by some commands like a variables is, see here, host sorry, network issue. Yeah, here host is dev, user is same Ansible, become as it is the pattern of the YAML script, means playbook. So task name is equal to git. Here we already gave m name abc, state is equal to present. Here we are giving the abc, but we are running the git is in variable here. So see here, we are running here in a single variable here, that is passing the variable through the arguments in the command. We are not mentioned inside the playbook. Outside the playbook we are going to run what is the abc here, git. We are giving outside, means we are giving with command. That is a single variable, and multiple variable here we are giving Ansible playbook. The 1.yml is, this is the 1.yml hyphen extra various, some extra variables we are giving here, that is abc git, and define the maven here. Double variable means multiple variable we here giving, and single variable here only abc we are giving, but outside we are running this abc is git. Understand here? Now see, passing a variable can be defined in a file and can be passed to a playbook using the include. So abc is equal to httpd install apache, the name is equal to http state is equal to present. That is the single variable. What we installed directly with commands like module, here also same thing we are going to run on the playbook. So here my multiple means multiple variable we are giving here, host dev same 1.yml. Here we including this 1.yml, means this is also we are including here, and installing git abc state is equal to restart, means abc it is going to take here and it is going to restart the apache here. What is the httpd abc, it is going to restart here, means it is connecting the two playbooks here, 1.yml and 2.yml. it is going to connect the two variables here. Okay, while we are going to run the practical, it will clear. And handlers is one of the topic in Ansible. What is the handlers here? How we used to call the handlers? If we'll hold anything by using the handler, that is somewhat handler we are calling in the real time. Here the handler is the same as the task, but it will run when called by the another task. So handler we are used to handle something or hold something. In the real time we are using like a handler. Here also same thing, it is going to handle another task, means what is the task it is going, it is handling the another task also. Here handler is the same as the task, but it will run when called by another task. And rc, it will run if the task contain a notify directive, also indicate that it can change the something. What we are going to run, who called this task, that is going to run. See here handler same host user become connection tasks are same. What is the task here? Installing the apache, means httpd. Here handler what we wrote, name restart httpd, so notify we write here. Action is service name is equal to httpd, state is equal to restart. right? What is the handling here? What we mentioned here, it is going to run, and here it is going to restart. Here it is installed, it is restarting here, means handle this whole upper part, and after it is what the handle is doing, it is going to run this task also. This task is handling and this task also it is handling. That is nothing but handler work here. And loop, how we use the loop in the real time? Loop is nothing but we are going to loop something to something, like that, means connection. Simply we'll say that connection. Ansible loop includes changing ownership on several files, and directories with file module, creating multiple users with user module, and repeating a polling setup until result reached. See, Ansible loop includes changing the ownership. What is the ownership? It is going to change, and on several files and directories with the file module. What are the modules here? Wait, I will show. Those are the modules here. What I am showing here, those are the modules here. So the modules means file module and creating the multiple users with user module, repeating the polling setup. Suppose, let's see here, those are the modules here. What is the Raham, Nazir, something is there, right? Those are the modules here. See, name is equal to add list of the users in the nodes. In the node servers we are adding the users here, and item, I mean name is equal to item, state is equal to friends. We are creating the 4 users by using the loop concept. At a time we are going to use 4 user by using the loop concept with using this user item, I mean user name. We are creating the users. And conditions, condition is nothing but if we have different scenarios, then we apply conditions according to scenario. Means what is the statement? If we are here, see, installing some command here, dbn command, Apache here installing, and when Ansible OS family is dbn is nothing but operating system, and what we used before image, right, for creation of EC2 instance, that is one of the operating system is dbn. So here see, installing Apache server for dbn family. So we are installing Apache here and we are adding the dbn here. Understand now? Condition is applying condition according to the scenarios. What is the scenario here? We need to add the Apache to dbn here, or same Apache we are using to add the Red Hat here. Both are OS family, but this is the different and this is the different, and we are going to add this one to this and this one to this. That is the looping, condition here. Condition we are applying here. And vault we already know. So in Ansible we can keep sensitive data like a password and key in the encrypted format. Means encrypted format technique is some AES 256 used by the Facebook. Suppose we are encrypting our applications like applications, right? In mobile we are encrypting applications, and WhatsApp, some Instagram, something apps are there that we are going to hiding by using the vault here. Same here also, vault we are going to hide means we are going to secure our files, YAML files, because of in real time we have so much confidential data in our playbooks, so that playbooks we can't share and we can't leave in our laptop or server. If we'll go and anyone can open this vault, it will not open without our password. It can't open. So Ansible vault we are creating for this vault.yaml, and if you want to edit the encrypted playbook, the whole playbook will encrypt. Then if you want to recreate, rekey or encrypt, decrypt, all will appear in the vault. Same like as what we are using our passwords applications, like that same this is also like that it will use. Yeah, roles will discuss, tags will discuss later, galaxy also, and advantages and disadvantages will discuss now. Advantages: very simple to set up and use, that is the advantage. No special coding skills are necessary to use Ansible playbooks, only basic scripting language, that too YAML language. And Ansible lets you 1 minute. Yeah, no special coding skills are necessary to use Ansible playbook. So no coding is there, basic simple script to use our playbook, means writing our playbook. Ansible let you model even high complex IT workflows, IT workflows. So in IT industry, for more high complex will do a simple in a playbooks. I mean playbook or automation, whatever it is, will do in the Ansible here. So you can orchestrate the entire application environment no matter where it is the deploy. Suppose if you want to deploy the application, will automate here and able to deploy in the Ansible, right? And disadvantages, Ansible does not have any notion of state like other automation tools such as Puppet. So Puppet is somewhat advanced, not that Ansible. So Ansible does not track a dependency and simply execute SQL task and stop when the task finished and fail or any error comes. So if any error is there, it is going to fail. If without error, it is going to finish. Simple. It is not tracking. It is not sequentially what is the task. It is not going to execute. It is simply it is going whatever we are giving. It is going to execute, or anything error is there, it is stopped. And Ansible as external dependencies to Python module. This is the disadvantage. Ansible have external dependency, means without Python it won't work. And Windows interaction requires some scheming, like Windows server. Sometimes if anything streaming we are doing, Windows server will require for the Ansible. Those are the disadvantages. So this is the Jenkins setup. I will explain when the Jenkins is going. Yeah, playbook to create a file or folder. So this is the playbook. What is the file here? It is there. It is going to write the Jenkins txt, creating the file and creating the folder. See, suppose I want to create the file. What is the Jenkins.txt? This is the playbook, and folder, this is the playbook. Host, user, become, connection, task, name, creating a file, path is equal to folder, state is equal to directory we are creating. Folder means directory. If you want to enter the data, suppose I want to this, we are creating manually one file, touch file, and we are going to insert the content by using the cat greater than file, right? So here also by using the playbook in Ansible, we'll use to create the content like this in the DevOps.txt file. Host, dev we are giving some random name, and task is the name, inserting a data in a file, copying, destination is this one, content is this one. Like that we are going to, no need to by heart this playbooks. If you will go to Chrome, it will give, but we know how to create the playbook. See, YAML script is there. This is the YAML script. So how we are going to give our requirement, that is the important. No need to by heart anything, but we come to know how we'll changes the as our requirements. And how, where is your file? Yeah, so many topics is there. So we'll discuss while creating one by one. I will ask Rajnikant sir to if anything Ansible is changed. I don't know because of I am not using the Ansible, right? So I don't know which version is changed the Ansible. Tomorrow I will set up each and everything. While after setup I will execute each and every playbook up to how many playbooks it will complete. Okay.
Okay,
What I
Venkat.
explained up to now, I will execute tomorrow. Each and everything, how it will come and why we are giving the name, why we are giving the M module, like that each and everything. While again explaining, while again creating, I will explain again. Okay, thank you for connect. Bye, good night.
Okay, Venkat. Bye.
Yeah.